Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am Prajen with a new chapter of English literature. Chapter number 14. The title of this chapter is Learning to be a Gentleman. This is second part of this video. In first part we have done the reading practice as well as explanation also. So let's start this class. Chapter number 14 and the title of this chapter is what? Learning to be a Gentleman. ARLING, learning to be a gentleman. Learning to be a gentleman. This is second part of this chapter. Okay. English. Through this video, I am going to teach you about exercise of this chapter. It means through this video, we will learn about exercise, question answer or objective type questions. Okay. So question number 1 is question number B. Question number B why? Because in question number 1 is a true false and we have already done in the textbook. So question number B, answer these questions. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Question number 1 is why was Ajay's mother worried about him? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाई वाज अजय मदर वरीड अबाउट हिम. उसकी मां जो है वो दुखी या परेशान या निराश क्यों थी उसके बारे में, उसको लेकर, अजय को लेकर. क्या आंसर लिखेंगे? आंसर इज अजय apostrophe s. This is called, this point, this sign is called the apostrophe. Ajay's mother was worried about him because he always is stayed dirty. This is first answer. Ajay's mother was worried about him because he always stayed dirty. वो हमेशा गंदा रहता था इसलिए उसकी मां से जो है निराश थी, परेशान थी. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज why did Ajay why did Ajay not want to take a bath? This is second question. Second question is why did Ajay not want to take a bath? नहाना क्यों नहीं चाहता था? क्या लिखेंगे? Ajay did not want to take a bath because he thought he thought that he was going he was going to get dirty anyway. अजय did not want to take a bath. वह इसलिए नहीं नहाना चाहता था because he thought that उसने सोचा कि he was going to get dirty anyway. वह जो है कहीं गंदा होने जा रहा है, वो प्रैक्टिस करने जाएगा, खेलेगा तो गंदा होगा ही. That's why he did not want to take a bath. This is the second answer. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is how did Ajay dress up? How did Ajay dress up on the day of selection? On the day of selection. Answer. This is the third question. How did Ajay dress up on the day of selection? Selection के दिन उसने कैसा ड्रेस पहना था? तो क्या लिखेंगे? लिखेंगे on the day of selection. On the day of selection. On the day of selection, Ajay put on Ajay put on the clothes put on the dirty clothes that he wore. Put on the dirty clothes and shoes that he wore the previous day for practice. This is answer of question number 3. On the day of selection, Ajay put on the dirty clothes and shoes that he wore the previous day for practice. मतलब उस दिन वो गंदा शूज और क्लोथ्स पहना था. कौन सा? जो वो पिछले प्रैक्टिस वाले दिन से पहनते आ रहा था, वही वो जो है पहना था. On the day of selection, Ajay put on the dirty clothes and shoes that he wore the previous day for practice. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is was Ajay name there on the list of selected players. Answer. Question is, was Ajay named there on the list of the selected players? No. सेलेक्टेड प्लेयर्स में के लिस्ट में अजय का नाम नहीं था, क्या लिखेंगे? तो वी विल राइट नो, वी विल राइट नो पुट कॉमा अजय name was not, Ajay name was not there on the list, on the list of selected players, selected players. This answer no, Ajay name was not there in the on the list of selected players. जो प्लेयर सेलेक्ट हुआ था उसके लिस्ट में अजय का नाम नहीं था. This is a third answer. This is a fourth answer. Now come to the one more question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is why was Ajay not selected? Why was Ajay not selected? This is question number 5. Why was Ajay not selected? Answer is Ajay was not selected because of his dirtiness, because of his dirtiness and not having a gentleman's quality, of being clean and tidy. Ajay was not selected because of his dirtiness and not having a gentleman's quality of being clean and tidy. So students, the all are 5 question answer I have written on the board. All of you will also write in your notebook from this video and learn properly also. Thank you.